Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cole. In today's video, we are looking at 5 upgrades for your LEGO Speed Champions sets and MOC. So say you have a LEGO Speed Champion set sitting on your desk, or you have a LEGO car MOC sitting around and you want to change it up. It's getting a little bit boring, you want to change it up, make it a bit more interesting. So here we have 5 ideas, 5 upgrades for your LEGO Speed Champions cars. So the first one is wheels. Now wheels can make a big difference to the car. They can make the car look a lot better and a lot worse. And they can often change the look of one of your LEGO cars quite a bit. So I recommend you test different wheels. You can test different colors. There are a lot of different colors out there actually. So if you want to go to Bricklink and buy some wheels, there are different colors you should look out for. For example, white, yellow, and orange, which come in a few sets. Right now you can currently get them in silver, black, and gray in the sets that are available today, and you can mess around with them. You can put some different color wheel inserts on the rims. You can create some interesting combinations. It's also interesting is that some of the early Speed Champions rim designs appear to be based off of real cars. For example, this looks like a Porsche GT2 RS wheel or a Porsche GT wheel. This looks like a McLaren wheel. This looks like a 19 Spider. These ones were from early sets, so they were the exact replicas of wheels. Now modern LEGO wheels obviously are not nearly as look like any wheel in particular, but I highly recommend you mess with different wheels and change them out and see what they look like, because that can make a big difference. And also try silver wheels now and then, because a lot of people use black wheels, but often silver wheels will look really great. Also white wheels, those are both kind of underrated, I guess, wheel choices. So I highly recommend you try those out. You can also paint your wheels. I'm not really going to recommend any sort of paint because I've never done this before, but I've seen people do it and it looks really good. I suppose you paint them gold or bronze because most of the other wheel colors already exist in LEGO. And then you could also paint the brake discs. Now I used this can of paint that I had lying around from a model kit a couple of years back, and it worked just fine. And as you can see on my R34 Skyline and my Mazda RX-7, I've painted the brake discs on it, and it looks really nice, especially in the RX-7 where the wheel would be completely white if I didn't paint it. You just got to make sure not to get it around the outside, and it works really nicely. And then the last option is you can go for some custom wheels from Bricks, Blocks, and MOCs, which, yeah, we've talked about Bricks, Blocks, and MOCs a lot on the channel recently, which is kind of interesting. Basically, these are really high quality 3D printed rims. You guys have probably seen on the Huracan set, which I reviewed a little while back. And they were a really nice upgrade. They're also a good way to get gold rims if you don't want to bother painting them. Now, the second upgrade that you could do is aerodynamic. You could do a ducktail spoiler with little slopes like on my Dodge Challenger. You could do a high downforce wing like on the McLaren Senna, the Koenigsegg Jesko, the GT2 RS, as you can see here. You do like a medium level wing like on my R34 Skyline or the Lamborghini Gallardo. You do a front splitter upgrade. You can make it a bit bigger for more downforce in the front. Typically you just use larger wedge plates from whatever the original ones were, because most cars use wedge plates for the front, so you can just use larger ones, and that will create a bit larger front splitter. You can mess around with different techniques. Also, if your car uses has like a studs facing forward on the front, like my Dodge Demon here, you can use panels to create a very large front splitter, which looks quite nice. So then the third upgrade is to lower the suspension height, ride height of the car, or to stance the car, and also give it some negative camber, which basically means that the wheel sticks out like you can see here. Now, you've probably seen this on a couple of my models before, like the Toyota Supra set upgrade I made previously, my Liberty Rock NSX, and Mazda RX-7 FD from the last video. This upgrade will prevent the car from rolling, but I display most of my models, and so I like the way it looks. And here's a small tutorial on how it goes together. Basically, you just use these parts, and you put them together like this. So the fourth upgrade is that you can get rid of the stickers. Now obviously this is one to do if you have a LEGO set. Now a lot of LEGO sets use stickers instead of parts that could work in place of those stickers, because often a sticker that looks like a realistic part doesn't look as good as a part that's not as realistic, but it's an actual part. Like as you can see here on the Nissan GTR, this isn't perfect, but I think it looks a lot better. And on the Dodge Challenger MOC, the whole thing is obviously just a larger version of the LEGO set with all the stickers removed. And also on my Nissan GTR MOC. So basically you can replace the headlights, the taillights, any parts that you think could be replaced with actual parts, and that will often make them look a lot better. Now the fifth one is a body kit. Now there are two types of body kits. The first one is like bumpers and things. So you can kind of take apart the bumper, you can modify it a little bit to make it look a little bit better or different. As you can see here, this Ferrari F8 Tributo has been modified to look like the Navatech and Largo F8, which is basically a body kit. It looks very different, the side skirts, the rear bumper, the front bumper. And the other option is for a wide body kit, which is a lot more complicated, but it looks really good. It's kind of hard to figure out, so it's going to require a little bit little bit of time and effort to actually figure out how one goes together. They can be quite delicate, but as you can see here with my NSX, this GTR, and the Venador, which I have not assembled yet, they all look really good. And then for a sixth one that we'll just throw in there because I thought about it, is that sometimes you can actually repurpose stickers from sets to create little details. For example, here, as you can see on my Dodge Challenger, I have used some green stickers that I've just cut out from the sticker sheet of the Lamborghini Urus set, and now they've become the splitter guards, which actually we should take off now that I think about it, but they're on there now. And then you can also use badges and things like the SRT badge at the front. You can often cut out logos, and often you can actually make stripes with the edges of stickers. For example, this Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. I've created the Superleggera stripes with these large sticker side parts from the sides of sticker sheets, and it actually looks really good. And so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this different sort of video. I thought I'd try something different because I'm waiting on some parts until I can build the next unlocks, which are going to be really good. So that'll probably be next week, but I guess that's it for today's video. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any other ideas or points or things, go and leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.